The municipality of Sant Pere de Torello in Catalonia has reportedly proclaimed its autonomy from Spain's central government. It wants its own bank, courts and complete control over its taxes. Let's get some more on this now and talk live with a journalist and writer, Miguel Ancho Morado. Good to see you today. How serious do you think is this push for independence?
Well, obviously it's symbolic. This is a very small town, less than 3,000 people live there. But of course it puts the item on the agenda, the item of independence, which is always there in Catalonia, also in the Basque Country, another self-governing region. And the fact that there's a lot of tension because of economic and political reasons now around Catalonia and Spain, well, it has some significance.
Well, you talk about political tensions and economic issues and all that. I mean, that's what I was going to come to now, because it was just a week ago that Catalonia, Spain's most prosperous state, certainly at one time or another, has announced that it will seek a €5 billion bailout from Madrid. I mean, can some say that the crux of the woes here are truly from economic issues?
Well, nationalism and separatism in Catalonia is a historic ideology. It has been there since the 19th century. Its first pro-independence parties are from the 1920s, so it's nothing new. But yes, surely the economy has added to that, in particular because the Catalans feel that they are not treated fairly by the Spanish tax system, and also that the economic policies of the central government are not helping Catalonia to sort out the crisis.
Well, you know, it's not just solely based in Catalonia here. For example, our top story today is also about separatism in Quebec. Then we've got this story in Catalonia. Even Scotland, believe it or not, in the UK wants to go it alone. I mean, do you think this is a coincidence or perhaps a growing global trend?
Well, you have another case in Spain. Very soon, in a few weeks' time, the Basques, another self-governing region, will be voting in their elections, and pro-independence parties are set to have a historic win. So, yes, well, you can call it a trend. I think in all those cases you mentioned, there's a background to that. It's not that the economic crisis has started it, but it certainly has an effect. It certainly adds pressure, and in the event of, say, for example, a breakup of the euro or a breakup of the European Union, in that situation, in such a crisis, anything can happen, even the independence of Catalonia or the Basque Country.
Miguel Ancho Morado, a journalist and writer, live for us from Madrid. Thanks so much for coming on RT today.